Hello guys, how are you doing? Are you fine? Yes, I am very fine and I am so happy to see you again. And today I have something very special for you. Do you know that I can make magic? Do you like magic? Because I like magic and I will make a magic for you right now, okay? So for this magic, I will need 3 glasses. Look, I have 3 glasses and I will fill just 2 glasses with water. So look, this one here, and now this. Okay, and now I have the colors. Look, I have yellow and blue. Do you like these colors? So look, one glass will be blue and the other glass will be yellow, okay? So let's see what's gonna happen. It will be so nice. Look. Look the water. The water will be oh, the water will be blue. Blue. And now yellow. Da-da-da-dum. Let me open. Now I will put some yellow here. Okay. Now I have to mix the colors. Okay, to mix the colors, I need a spoon. So now, wow, the water is blue. Did you see? And now, this water is yellow. Now I have here paper towel. I need 1 and 2. Look what I am going to do and what will happen. Remember, this glass is empty, it's empty. And I will put here and there. Okay, and now the blue one, and we will see the magic happening. Da-da-da-da. Blue. Now we have to wait. We have to wait a little bit. Now that you have waited, look at this. Wow, look. Remember, this glass was empty. And now, what color is this? Now it's green because yellow and blue become green. Nice, did you see the magic? The water now is green. So we have yellow, green, and blue. That's awesome. Did you like it? So now, let's watch a video about the colors.
Blue. I see something blue. Blue. I see something blue. Blue, 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 blue. I see something blue. Find something blue. yellow. I see something yellow, yellow. I see something yellow, yellow, yellow. I see something yellow. Find something yellow. Red. I see something red, red. I see something red, 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 red. I see something red. Find something red. Purple. I see something purple, purple. I see something purple, purple, purple. I see something purple. Find something purple. Blue, yellow, red, purple. I see colors everywhere.
This video is so nice. So now, let's remember the colors. This is yellow. So can you say with me? It's yellow. It's yellow. It's yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. And now this one. It is blue. It is blue. It is blue. Blue, blue, blue. And yellow with blue become green. So say it is green. It is green. It is green. Green, green, green. And now guys, I have to go. I have to say bye-bye to you. But before I go, let's watch another video. Yes? So let's watch the video. And now, bye-bye. See you later. Kiss. Try this in your houses and see you later.
My favorite color's blue. How about you? How about you? My favorite color's blue. How about you? How about you?
Red.
My favorite color's red. I like red. I like red. My favorite color's red. I like red. I like red. Colors, colors. What's your favorite color? Colors, colors. What's your favorite color?
Green.
My favorite color's green. I like green. I like green. My favorite color's green. I like green. I like green.
Yellow.
My favorite color's yellow. I like yellow. I like yellow. My favorite color's yellow. I like yellow. I like yellow. Colors, colors. What's your favorite color? Colors, colors. What's your favorite color?
Orange.
My favorite color's orange. I like orange. I like orange. My